Hello, hope you're doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to sell digital products on Instagram with Canva website. The first thing you want to do once on Canva, below the search bar, you're going to select websites. After you have done that, you're going to scroll across and you're going to select bio link website. After selecting bio link website, you'll be redirected to a blank page. On this blank page, you are going to pay attention to the left-hand drop-down menu option. So you can see templates right here, and you can see numerous templates that you can select from. So all you'll need to do is scroll down, and once you have found a template of your liking, you can select it. So let's say, for example, I would like to use this template. After selecting the template, all I would need to do now is start editing it. So I'm going to remove this text. So let me do that real quick. So I'll simply delete all text right here. And I'm going to be uploading a mock-up image of my digital product. So I'll tap on uploads from the left-hand menu option. And by the way, these mock-up images and also the painting that I'll be selling was created using Canva. So this is the mock-up image right here. So once persons purchase it, they'll be receiving this painting. All you'll need to do next, after you have edited your website, you're going to open a new tab and you're going to go onto elfsite.com. Elfsite.com is the platform that we'll be using to connect to our payment provider, and it is a platform that you can use for free. So once on elfsite.com, you're going to hover over widgets, then you're going to scroll down and you're going to select PayPal button. After selecting PayPal button, I want you to select checkout from the template option on the left hand menu option, and you're going to tap on continue with this template. From here, you're going to input your PayPal email address at the top. Then you want to ensure that you have selected checkout. You can also add in the product name. So I could add in the product name right there. You can select the currency, so you could change the currency from USD if you want. Add the price right here of the product. Then after doing that, what I want you to do next is open a new tab. And you're going to go onto Google Drive. And Google Drive is a platform that you can also use for completely free, as you may know. And it is going to be the platform that we'll be using to host our digital product. So you're going to go onto Google Drive, tap on new in the top left hand corner, select file upload, and you're going to select the file that persons will be receiving once they have completed their purchase. So for example, if you're selling an ebook or any other digital product, you're going to select it right here, then tap on open. Once it has been added, as you can see here, you're going to tap on the three dots in line with the file name. After you have tapped on the three dots, you're going to select share. So you'll tap on share right there and you can tap on share. After you have done that, you can see right here, general access restricted. Only persons will access can open this link. And you can leave it as is. If it is a case that you would like to change it to anyone with the link, you can tap on that and do that. Then you're going to tap on copy link. After you have copied the link, you're going to go back into Elfsite and you're going to paste the link right here. So you're going to tap where you see redirect URL and you're going to paste the link. After you have pasted the link, you're going to tap on add to site for free. Once you have done that, you'll be redirected to the plans page, and all you'll need to do is select free. Then you'll tap on install and you're going to tap on share link and you're going to simply copy the link. After you have copied the link, you can go back into Canva, and from here you can edit the buttons. So we could edit any one of these buttons, and all you'll need to do is tap on one of the buttons or text, then right click, then you're going to tap on link and you can paste in the link that you have copied. Then you'll tap on done. So now whenever someone goes onto your website and taps on this link, they'll automatically be redirected to PayPal, and once they complete the PayPal purchase, they will be redirected to the link that you placed in on Google Drive. So they'll be able to download the digital product. So all you'll need to do next is simply tap on publish, and from there you can copy your Canva website link and share it on Instagram. You could put it in your Instagram bio. You can share it on your Instagram story. Once someone goes on your Instagram and taps on the link, they'll be redirected to PayPal, and then from there they can tap on the PayPal button and complete their purchase. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button